Today, I'm going to reveal a secret option trading strategy that's going to allow you to snag Palantir at a hefty 10% discount. All right, let's get straight into it. Palantir Technologies, the AI powerhouse that's been making waves in the stock market, is poised for an incredible 2025, with its stock surging over 380% in the past year and analysts projecting continued growth. Now's the time to get in on this AI revolutionary stock. But here's the kicker. What if I were to tell you that you could buy Palantir stock at a 10% discount? That's right. We can sell at the money put options, and we can collect income as well monthly while getting the stock potentially at a big discount. In this video, we're going to break down how Palantir is set to dominate in 2025, the secret at the money put option strategy, and we're going to explain it in detail. We're going to talk about a step-by-step guide to implementing this strategy, and we'll show you a couple of live examples on the option trading platform as well. And finally, we'll talk about how to manage your position for max profit potential. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced option trader, buckle up and get ready to make some money. Also, remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below and download the free options workshop in the link below. Let's talk about why Palantir is poised to dominate in 2025. First off, Palantir's stock has been on an absolute tear, surging an incredible 380% in the past year alone. That's not just impressive, it's downright jaw-dropping. But here's the kicker. Analysts aren't just seeing Palantir as a flash in the pan. Palantir is the most powerful AI stock in the industry, and they are poised to dominate 2025. The U.S. government and private sector are making unprecedented investments in AI with a focus on defense and security applications. In January, President Trump announced a massive $500 billion AI infrastructure investment initiative called Stargate, developed in partnership with tech giants like OpenAI, Oracle, and SoftBank. This initiative aims to bolster America's AI capabilities and maintain its competitive edge against rivals like China. Palantir is emerging as a key player in this AI-driven landscape, particularly in defense and security sectors. Palantir secured $480 million with the U.S. Army for its Maven Smart system. The company won a $178 million deal for the Army's Tactical Intelligence Targeting Access Node Titan program. Palantir also extended a contract with the U.S. Army worth up to $618 million for its Army Vantage program, which provides AI-enabled data solutions. And the Pentagon's AI office awarded Palantir a $33 million contract to develop a data sharing ecosystem called Open Dagger. These government contracts, coupled with the strong AI trend and investment in AI, are likely going to drive Palantir's stock much higher. All right, let's dive a little deeper into selling it at the money put option and that strategy. So if Palantir is trading at about $80 and you sell the at the money $80 strike put option, you're basically agreeing to buy Palantir at $80 should the price of Palantir stock drop below $80. Now, why choose 45 to 60 days to expiration? Well, for option traders, this is really a sweet spot because it allows for you to collect time decay or theta decay. It gives time for the stock to work in your favor. Now, here's how this strategy works. We sell an at-the-money put option on Palantir with 45 to 60 days to expiration. We collect the premium up front. If Palantir's price stays above the strike price at expiration, we keep the full premium. If Palantir's price drops below the strike price, you'll buy the shares at the strike price minus the premium received. So for instance, if Palantir is trading at $80 and you sell the put option for $8, or since one option contract controls 100 shares of stock, that $8 is really $800. You're basically locking in a 10% discount, because if you are assigned the stock, you are obligated to buy it at that $80 minus the $8 or $800, which is a cost basis of $72, which is a 10% discount. Okay, guys, here we are on the Tastytrade option trading platform. There's a link down below. Great platform, and there's some benefits if you join through my link. I also utilize Moomoo. Both are great for option trading. Tastytrade is very intuitive, as you'll see here in a moment. But what we do is we punch in PLTR for Palantir in the upper left right here, and then we are on the table mode and the trade page and table mode. And this brings up the different option chains. So here's the weekly chains. Here's February 21, the third Friday of February, and the third Friday of March. So I'm going to go to the March, which is 54 days to expiration, and click and open that up. Now, when we go there, we see the stock is trading up here at 78.98, and the IV rank is good at 80, so it's very high. Here's the at the money. The 78.98 is at the money. So basically right around $80. So what we can do is puts are on the right, calls are on the left. We can sell or hit the bid here. The sell is on the left of the puts and buy is on the right. We want to sell the 80 strike put option. So this 850 right here. We click on that and we can sell it for 850. But the difference between the 850 and the 865 is the spread. Palantir is actually pretty liquid, 15 cents wide, but we're going to go right in the middle and 860. We should be able to get filled at 860. So we collect 860. One option contract controls 100 shares of stock. So that's $860 that we collect when we hit review and send and place this trade. So you can see that's our max profit, 860 right here. We've got a 61% probability of profit. Our max loss is if the stock moves down, goes to zero. We can lose money. So what we want to do now is click on curve mode right here, and you can see as long as we stay above that 80 strike price, we keep the full $860. And you can see as the stock price moves up, 860 is our cap. It's our max profit, and it's what we keep as long as we stay above 80. Our break even is the $80 minus the 860 that we collect when we place the trade. So it's $71.40 is our break even. So we are actually buying this stock for $71.40 if that's our break even. It's basically like getting a $8.60 discount because that's our break even. So that, my friend, is a 10% discount on the stock, and basically what this video is about. Now, one other thing that we can do is we can sell a vertical spread. So rather than just sell the 860, let's go back to table mode. Now, rather than just sell the 80 strike for 860, we can also buy a 70 call option as protection. Now, if we buy that, that's a cost of $4. It basically brings our price down to $465, or right in the middle. Yeah, $465. So this is what we would collect. We still collect. It's still a collection. And our max loss is the $10 width of the spread minus the $465 or $465 that we collect when we place the trade. But we hit review and send. Our max loss is $535. Our max profit is $465. Let's go to curve mode again. Here you see max profit $465 as long as we stay above that 80. Our break even is the 80 minus the $465. So it's right here around the $75 mark. So we're still collecting a profit, and this utilizes much less buying power. It only utilizes because $535 is our max loss. So if you have a smaller account, you can do spreads like this versus just selling the put alone. We hit review and send and place the trade. So once you sell that put, how do we manage our position? Well, when selling at the money put options on Palantir, you're going to face 3 possible scenarios at expiration. The stock price will be above the strike price, and your put expires worthless, and you keep the full premium. Now, if the stock price is at the strike price, then you may or may not be assigned the shares depending on the buyer's decision. And then lastly, if the stock price is below the strike price, you'll likely be assigned the shares at the strike price. Now, if the stock price does move down below your put short strike option price, then you can do another thing. You can roll that put option to the next monthly option cycle and collect additional premium. This is more capital efficient than being assigned and having to buy the shares of stock, and it gives you much more time to be right. Now, some traders will want to employ the wheel strategy if the stock price moves below the strike price rather than roll out, which I like to roll out. However, if you're going to take the stock and be assigned, what you can do then is sell calls against your long stock position and collect additional premium. This is called the wheel strategy. All right, guys, we showed some live examples, and before any trade that you make, you want to do your own research. There has been a run up in Palantir, so you might want to wait for a pullback. But for me, if you don't have a position on and you want to establish a core position, a put option, selling a put option at the money is a great way to do it. All right. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you're trading. Are you trading Palantir? What do you think it's going to do? Ask a question. I answer every one. Remember to hit like and subscribe. Download the free options workshop. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.